Hey guys, for that video that I installed this garage lock, I'll have to reinstall it since it's banging on this. It's banging on the rails, so I have to reinstall it. Make sure when you install it, so by closing your garage door, make sure it doesn't hit the rail. Make sure it doesn't hit the rail, or else it's going to break your garage, right? So I had to readjust both of them. I have to readjust both of them from this hole to I had to readjust to this, so I will be able to still lock. But this, as you can see, it had been damaged because it hit the rail somewhere here, I think, when I was on this side. So now I had probably misaligned, so I will have to just use a hammer for this, just to realign my rod. Use my safety glass. So yeah guys, make sure that after installing it, make sure that it doesn't hit your garage door opener. So as you can see, still misaligned, but anyway guys, see you again.